Hello, Tale Tunes Tribe. What else could it be better than tuning into interesting tales with your lad to help them learn more about the world and the right conduct in their formative stages of life? Hey, you found the right tune. Welcome to the potpourri of short tales for little champs gain their best moral values to shape their personality. It hasn't stopped raining yet. We can't burst our crackers tonight, Didi, said Dhruv, looking out of the window. Yes. The whole spirit of Diwali is gone, all because of this never-ending rain, added Ahana. Both the kids felt upset. Mom worked in the kitchen as she heard her children talking. She walked out to them and said, "Don't be sad, kids. Diwali is not just about bursting crackers." "What else can it be about then?" asked the kids. "Well, it is about lighting up our day with happiness and joy. It's about sharing and caring," replied Mom. "Mom, how can we light up our night without crackers?" questioned Dhruv, as he could not think of a way to enjoy Diwali without crackers. Let me show you how," said Mom. "Do you both want to help me?" she added. "Of course, Mom," Dhruv and Ahana replied at once. "Then spread a carpet on the floor and go call your friends. I will do the rest," said Mom. Dhruv and Ahana were excited. They wondered what Mom was planning. Hundreds of exciting ideas crossed their mind and their mood improved. They quickly spread the carpet in the hall and rushed out with umbrellas to call their friends. When all the kids returned, the house was completely dark. "Maybe there is a power cut because of rain," said Ahana. "Oh no!" cried the others. They slowly moved in along the light from diyas. And an amazing sight greeted them. Lots of little diyas flickered in the room. The house was filled with their soft light. "Surprise!" said Mom. "It looks wonderful, Mom," said Dhruv. At the center of the carpet is a beautifully decorated diya surrounded by the trays of Diwali snacks and juices. The kids quickly settled themselves around the carpet to enjoy the treat, and Mom started narrating more about the festival. The Festival of Lights marks the triumph of good over evil. And that's what is Diwali all about. The word Diwali is derived from the Sanskrit word Deepavali, where Deepa means light and Avali means series. The lamp we light up during Diwali is also a metaphor for knowledge and consciousness that can drive away the ignorance within us. "But how did all this start, Auntie?" asked a kid. There are many stories associated with Diwali. It is said that the day Lord Rama returned Ayodhya with his wife Sita after killing Ravana is celebrated as Diwali. The happiness of their return was expressed by lighting lamps and bursting crackers. People also relate Diwali to the defeat of Bali Chakravarti by the Lord Vishnu avatar called Vamana. But the most popular and much interesting is the episode of Narakasura. He was the son of goddess Earth and Lord Vishnu in his Varaha avatar. Narakasura grew up to be strong, powerful, and had a boon from Lord Brahma that no one except his mother can kill him. Maddened by his power, he brought all the kingdoms on earth and heaven under control and kidnapped 16,000 women. Hearing all that, Lord Vishnu, in his Krishna avatar, mounted on Garuda with his wife Satyabhama, attacked Narakasura. In the furiously fought battle, Narakasura launched his great weapon on Lord Krishna, rendering him unconscious. Finally, Narakasura had fallen for the courageous arrows of Satyabhama, who was an avatar of goddess Earth. It is the death of Narakasura that we celebrate Naraka Chaturdashi, which is a day before Diwali. Though usually linked to the Hindu faith, the Jains and Sikhs also celebrate the festival of lights. For Sikhs, the festival coincides with Bandi Chor Divas, or the Day of Liberation. This celebrates the release of Sikh religious leader Guru Gobind Singh from the prison. For Jains, Diwali marks the anniversary of religious leader Lord Mahavir achieving moksha. Generally, Diwali is a 5-day festival celebrated during autumn each year. The first day of Diwali is celebrated as Dhanteras. This day is often associated with renewals, cleansing, and new beginnings. People buy gold, silver, and cooking utensils on this day. The second day is Naraka Chaturdashi. It was believed that the demon king Narakasura requested that his death should be a day of festivity and there should be no darkness. Hence, the day is celebrated as Choti Diwali. The third is the main day of Diwali, which starts with decorations, rangolis, and cooking feasts. In the evening, people light up the houses with diyas. Prayers are offered to Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. The day ends with burning of crackers. The fourth day is termed as Govardhan Puja, marked by worshipping Lord Krishna for saving the cowherds and farmers from floods. The fifth day of Diwali is celebrated as Bhai Dooj, which is similar to Raksha Bandhan. Sisters pray for their brothers' well-being and apply tilak. All the kids enjoyed till it was very late. When it was time to leave, they thanked Ahana, Dhruv, and their mother for the lovely evening. "This day will always be memorable for me," said Ahana. "Thanks, Mom. This is the best Diwali I have ever had," added Dhruv. "Happy Diwali, everyone!" shouted the kids. May the light of little diyas guide you towards the way of happiness and success. Dear tribe, thank you so much for believing us. Stay tuned for the incredible content coming on the way. Empower us to spread the good vibes too. Give a go ahead if you sense a good fit for your little champs. Do assist us with your thoughts and experiences in the comment block. Above all, make sure to meditate for being mindful and take care of yourself the right way. Catch you soon.